What's up, guys? So if you've got some hip issues going on, you need to work on some mobility within your hips, here's a great move that you can kind of work into. The first one's going to be, we're just going to hang out in this position, 90-90. So we're going to be looking at the back toe, dorsiflex, straight knee, heel lined up, and kind of this position. So the better mobility you have, the more you'll be able to sit into the middle of that. But you can kind of work forward into the leg here, work back into the hip here, and then once you're kind of opening up through that range of motion, you can start to work on actively pulling up into an active position, lowering back down, and moving through that, okay? Then you can just switch sides, same position. Typically you'll find you might have one side that's a little worse, and this is that side for me. So I feel it more back here in my glute piriformis area. So again, I would just work forward, back, into that. As it started to open up, I could start coming into a more active position, pulling through that, because we need to work through active range of motion rather than just passive. That way you can have more carryover to what you're doing outside the gym. So hope that helps.